everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot to discuss with you and talk about, so let's just get right into it. Last week was my birthday. Thank you all for all the wonderful birthday wishes. You guys made it the day very special, and my parents came and we filmed a tutorial, and then we went out for pizza and had cake, and they just helped me celebrate such a wonderful day, so I wanted to thank them as well. And Nate actually did something really special for me. If any of you know me, you know that yarn isn't my only love. I love yarn so much, but I also love makeup, and I like doing my makeup, dramatic makeup, and exploring different types of makeup. And Nate found out, well, I told him that the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy eyeshadow palette was being released that Friday, and he jumped online on the release date and got one of the palettes for me, so I'm so excited about it. I'm actually wearing some of it. I dipped right into it right away. Like, I was so excited about this, and it basically in the makeup community it broke the internet. It sold out in like hours, and it is so beautiful. The packaging, I've watched so many reviews online about this Conspiracy palette, and it is such a work, like a work of art. It is so wonderful. So the packaging is lovely, and there's cute little clicky openings here, and then you open it up and look at all those fabulous colors. Oh my goodness. So I really enjoy the top row is all like neutral tones. That's what I'm actually wearing on my eyes right now. And then there's really bright wild colors, which my personality is like super wild. Look at all these colors back here. I was looking at this palette and I was like, ooh, there's like so much yarn that could match these eyeshadows. And then this bottom row here has a lot of metallics, just really cool. And the names on here are really funny, and if you know Shane Dawson or Jeffree Star, you know that these names had a lot of a thought put into them, and the packaging had a lot of thought put into them, and I just love this so much. And Nate made my day super special because he knows I love makeup and I love playing around with it. And I made like I said, that whole top row of the neutral colors, I just did my eyes in that, and the pigment is so beautiful. I'm just like in awe and shock about this, because this is a really cool thing in the makeup community. But you're not here for the makeup, you're here for the yarn. So I wanted to also share for my birthday. One more thing is that I did get my nose pierced, my septum pierced. So I have to wait a month for it to fully heal, but then I can change it and get a different type of ring in there, because right now it kind of gives me the alternative look. And wearing black doesn't really help, and having black nails, and yeah, I have like more of an alternative look right now, but I don't mind it, and I really wanted to get that done and just kind of express myself a little differently in the new year, in my new year of being 29. So that's exciting as well, something new. And anyways, now getting into the yarn related stuff. I'll set this conspiracy palette aside. I was really excited about this. I don't know why. It was so wonderful. But I did want to talk about yarn. That's why we're here. So anyway, Knit Crate actually sent me this month's package, and they included some of my favorite drink, tea. So you can see here is 2 skeins of yarn, and then they included a little sampler pack of some tea to try, which I really thought that was really special, really thoughtful of them. So if you are interested in learning more about Knit Crate, they send you, it's a subscription, so they send you 2 balls of premium yarn every month, and a little extra something on the side. It's really sweet. And then inside as well, there's a little magazine that has patterns included in there for knitters and crocheters. Now the membership package, it has the crochet pattern. They have the artisan package and the sock crate package as well, but those are just knitting patterns. So if you just knit, that's for you. But this one has crochet patterns, this one has a cowl, and you can use the yarn that's in this package, in the 2 balls of yarn, to make the projects that are in this magazine. So that's really cool too. So big thank you to Knit Crate for sending this to me. I can't wait to work with that yarn. This month's yarn is merino wool, silk, and alpaca mixed up together. So it's really, really fabulous. So, and it's really soft too. Oh my goodness. So yes, they have some wonderful yarn. Check them out. I'll link them in the description of this video so you can see their yarn selection and their memberships and everything, and get on the Knit Crate train with me. Also, I finished our family Fair Isle hats. I know you saw our picture. I swear, I'm going to use that picture in our holiday cards this year. It is such a fabulous picture, and Nasir's face is just priceless. He is smiling so big. So here's my hat. And this is the one I shared in the tutorial, the video tutorial, if you haven't seen it yet. I make this specific hat in the tutorial. But I also made one for Nate in the men's extra large size, and then I made one for Nasir, who's 5 months right now at the time I'm filming this video. He is 5 months, and this one fits him so perfectly, and it's nice and warm. It's made with Chic Sheep yarn. That's Marley Bird's Red Heart Yarn's Chic Sheep yarn. So it's wool. It is so soft and incredibly warm, but also lightweight, so I really like that as well. And I just share in the blog that you can use, you know, you can make a pom like I did. You can use a fur pom. You can have no pom at all. Also, you can add the ear flaps like I did, or you can keep them off. You can make your hat slouchy if you just continue with the Fair Isle rose. I mean, there's so many variations of this hat that you can make to fit the person you're making it for. So personalize it however you like. So those hat patterns, there's 4 different sizes available. It's on YARNutopia.com with the video tutorial and the written pattern. All of that is linked in the description of this video as well. And one last thing before I go, because I'm probably gonna go play with makeup again, is I wanted to bring Nasir into this video, but he's napping right now and I didn't want to disturb his slumber. But he is 5 months old today. I just cannot believe it. I was telling Nate, actually exactly 1 year ago, this month, like 1 year ago, a few days ago, I found out I was pregnant with him, and I just remember being so excited and so shocked and just like ecstatic, happy, all the positive things. And now he's here and he's already 5 months old. He's sitting up with a little bit of support still. He's rolling over. He's eating vegetables. He likes to sit in his high chair. It's so cute. We transitioned him to the crib. We were doing the bedside bassinet for a while, but now he's transitioned fully to his crib and he's sleeping through the night. He is teething, so he is kind of fussy here and there, but we have those frozen chew kind of, I call them chew toys. They're not. They're just like teething rings for babies. And also we have him always laughing and smiling. He is so wonderful. I just love him so much. I'm so incredibly obsessed with him, and I'm just gonna go snuggle him right now. So that was a lot to share today, but I just thank you so much for all the birthday wishes last week, and thank you all for all your love and support and just everything. You guys are wonderful. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not watching on YouTube, check my YouTube out and hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Happy hooking!